skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. You guys know I don't go in order. I'm just gonna take stuff out the shopping cart and then show you what I got. So first off, I got some ground turkey. Alright, a pound of some ground turkey. Right here I have some salmon. I want to do a salmon recipe in my air fryer, so I got a pound of salmon. I'll probably be able to cut this in like 2 or 3. Alright, so I got that. This is some beautiful salmon too, huh? Really nice. Alright. I got a nice big juicy chuck steak, nice and thick. I bought one before because I wanted to try that reverse sear. I got one before because I wanted to try that reverse sear method, but I wound up using that steak to make that feta pasta, so I went and bought another one so I could try. This one is nice and thick. I might use this for something else and go and try to get a thicker steak, because if I'm gonna like double cook my steak, I want it to be nice and thick so it's not super dry, okay? So I don't know, but anyway, I got some steak. I got some ranch seasoning packets. I want to try to do this recipe. It's like a ranch chicken inside the crock pot, and you hear my cat? His food is in here, y'all. I'm trying to get his food is all the way at the bottom, so you're gonna have to wait, boo, until I get to. I can't get to your food yet. But anyway, so I got some of these ranch packets so I could try to. I'm gonna make that ranch chicken recipe. All right, so we got that. I got some taco seasoning here. I still haven't made my haystacks. Like, I got everything to make the haystacks, and then I went to make it and then realized I didn't have any taco seasoning. And then of course I could have made my own taco seasoning, but I didn't have any ground cumin, so I got a taco seasoning mix so I can make some haystacks. So I got that. I got some tomato paste. This is the Cinto tomato paste tube. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks, you know. Got that. Good stuff. I got this spring roll kit. This is like the real Vietnamese spring rolls, you know, with the rice paper wraps. I have like a bunch of shrimp and bacon and stuff in my freezer, so I wanted to make some spring rolls. So I got the kit. I'm gonna make some spring rolls, some shrimp spring rolls with some peanut sauce. And then maybe some pork belly ones. I don't know. But this has like everything you need in there. If you can see, you can't really tell. But yeah, I got this. It's gonna be good. This is how they're gonna look. Okay. I got some Capri Suns. This is for me. Yeah, I love Capri Suns. These are just so quick to just like grab real quick. So I actually ordered the Roaring Waters one, and this is what they sent me. But this one's supposed to be less sugar, so I don't know. I like these. Who else like Capri Suns and you like a grown-ass adult? Okay, I know I can't be the only one. I got some Belvitas. These are from Ronnie wants one of these. I got him the soft-baked banana bread Belvitas. And then I got him the peanut butter sandwich ones. I don't know. Ronnie likes these, so, you know. Anyway, so I got that. Y'all, I went and got some of these steamed soup dumplings. You guys, I have been binge watching Mikey, what's his name? Strictly Dumpling on YouTube. Y'all, and he got me wanting to make all kind of Asian food. I went on Amazon last night and ordered me a bamboo steamer. Like, I'm about to be in here, making all kind of Asian stuff, okay? So he has some steamed soup dumplings and they look so good, so I went and got some. They're probably not as authentic as the restaurant, but I really wanted some, so I got some of those. Actually, I think I'm about to eat these tonight. Like, Mikey, what is it? Mikey Chin, right? Strictly Dumpling on YouTube. You're the real MVP, because, y'all, I could have just ate, and he makes me want to eat, like, Asian stuff. It's crazy, and that's crazy because that's what y'all be telling me about my food. Like, you could have just ate, but you see me cooking, and now y'all want to eat again. Like, yeah. Anyway, tangent done. Steamed dumplings. My bamboo steamer is like on the way. It'll be here like probably tomorrow. Okay, so anyway, I got that. I got some of these Hershey's Hugs and some Hershey's Kisses. If you've ordered your seasoning mix for me, you guys know I have my own seasoning that I made. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It's like an elevated, enhanced adobo kind of. You can use it on anything. But when you order for me, I put hugs and kisses in your order, okay? Something nice and sweet, all right? So I had to re-up on that because y'all been going crazy with the orders and I ran up. So I had some more hugs and kisses. You know, a nice little sweet treat to say thank you. Okay, so I went and got some of this Boom Boom shrimp sauce. It's supposed to taste like the Bang Bang shrimp, okay, from P.F. Chang's. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna make some shrimp and coat it in this, a little cornstarch on the shrimp, then like sauce it. I'm gonna try it. Let me know if you want me to make it on camera. It's super easy, but we're gonna see if it tastes like the Bang Bang shrimp. It's not Bang Bang shrimp. This is Boom Boom shrimp sauce, okay? They ain't trying to get copyrighted. But anyway. Right here, I got some No MSG Vidalia de Sazon Tropical. This is the yellow one, not the orange one. I just wanted to taste it. You guys know I use my seasoning on everything, but I just wanted to really taste this one. So, I got that. I got some strawberry low-fat yogurt. Okay. Alright, I got some orange juice. Okay, I like the orange juice with pulp. It's better for you. I got some Almond Breeze chocolate milk. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all know I don't really like chocolate stuff, but this right here is so creamy. It tastes so bomb. Like, you cannot tell this is not real milk. This is for me. I got some unsweetened almond milk. This is like if I want to eat cereal or something. So I get that. I don't really drink cow's milk. I only cook with it because it just tears me up, y'all. Just to be real. So, got me some almond milks and OJ. So next, this is like another late night Mikey Chin strictly dumpling buy. He was eating some like panko shrimp and they look so good. I couldn't find panko shrimp, so I bought this big old thing of butterfly shrimp. So, we're gonna make this. Y'all know I already cooked my own shrimp and all that, but y'all, I'm just as easily influenced as y'all. I'm just gonna say it. So anyway, this is a big one too. I don't know why I bought a big 2-pound box, but I did. So, alright. I probably could have made this. You know what? Stop, Ashley. Anyway, I got that. Right here, I got a big head of cabbage. I'm gonna keep on with my Haitian Caribbean meals. And I want to do griot. And of course, you can't have griot without some pickles. So I had to get me some cabbage, and I got some carrots in there somewhere. So I'm gonna make some pickles so I could do a griot video. So I got me some cabbage, okay? I got some creamy chip beef. You guys know Ronnie loves this stuff. You can make this super easy. Sometimes I'll get the budding, the beef, and do my own sauce. Or sometimes I'll just heat this up and put it on toast. It's really good. So I got one of these. Y'all, look at this. I got some Korean style babyyy chicken and vegetable dumplings. Okay, like I've been keeping this so real with y'all. Strictly dumpling, you got me. Okay, y'all. I got some Korean style chicken and veggie dumplings. All right. I got another orange juice, a Minute Maid Tropical Punch. You guys, I also bought 3 cases of water. They're over there. I stacked the water down there, so I didn't bring that over here. But, yeah, I got some orange juice and a fruit punch. I got a VH Healthy Greens juice. This one is really good. This is not the sweet greens one. This is like real, like, fruit and veggie juice. Has like apples, veggies, carrot juice. I got a lime juice, you guys. You know, I use lime juice for everything. Cleaning my meat, drinking it, cooking with it, whatever. So I got that. Oh yeah, you guys, almost forgot. And I bought some toilet paper. So I had to add this into the video. I got some shredded matchstick carrots. Not the shredded one. The matchstick is like a little thicker. This is to go with the cabbage to make the pickles. I already have the hot peppers and vinegar and stuff already. So I got a bunch of red onion. I have a container of shallots. Shallots is so good. Shallots is like a cross between a sweet onion and some garlic. So love shallots. Got that. I got a whole big gallon of apple juice. Y'all, these are good. I like to get these and keep them like in my cabinet for like if there's nothing else to drink. And they're cheap. These are like $2 for a whole gallon of juice. And it's 100% juice. So I got some Ballpark beef hot dogs. These are the no nitrate hot dogs. So if you're gonna eat hot dogs, at least try to get the no nitrate ones and beef ones. Okay, so this is the 16 count ones. Okay, so I got that. I got some more yogurt. This is the vanilla low fat yogurt. This one is actually my favorite. My favorite kind of yogurt is vanilla yogurt. So good. I got a few of the Chobani Flips. This is the peanut butter cup ones. These are good too. So that. I got a few of those. I got 2 big sweet yellow onions. These are not just regular yellow onions. These are the sweet Vidalia onions. Right? So I got 2 of those. I got a couple of limes, a couple of plum tomatoes because I didn't have any. And to be real, I just bought some tomatoes and I guess I didn't eat them fast enough and they went bad on me. So I got a couple more tomatoes. I got a couple more gallons of spring water. These are like 80 cents at Walmart. These are from my cat. My cat doesn't drink faucet water in his water dispenser thingy. So we buy him gallons of water. Okay, I'm in Florida. Our water is hard. Our water smells like eggs. And I tried to give him the water. And I even have a Brita filter. And I tried to give him the filtered water. And it still smells funny. He don't like it. So I give him spring water. Okay. I got some cream cheese. I have some more yogurt. These ones is like the Go-Gurts. They're in a tube. Melon berry and strawberry banana. Okay. We just like yogurt. I bought some Miracle Grow. Yeah, this is for my bamboo. I just put like a little squirt in the bamboo water. And this is just good for them. Okay. This one bottle right here, what's this? 8-ounce bottle will last you like so long because you just really put a little squirt in the water, alright? So, yeah. I bought a Pepperidge Farm coconut layer cake. Why? I don't know, but I seen it and it looked good, so I got one. Let me stop holding it up that way. Yeah. These is cheap too at Walmart. I think this is like $3. Okay, and this is... Anyway, this is pretty big. Oh, it says serves 8. Anyway, so I got a coconut cake. I got another thing of Capri Suns. These are the ones that I originally ordered for both of them. I guess maybe this was the last one. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, some more Capri Suns. This is the apple juice ones. And last but not least, like literally the last thing for me to take out the cart, the cat food. Okay, he is hawking me. He's right there. Let me go feed my cat. This is the tender center ones. Alright. I got that. And that's what I got, y'all. Let me know. Was this a steal? Oh, I didn't even tell you how much I paid. We spent $130 for all this stuff. So let me know. Was that a deal or not? I don't know. Let me know. Alright. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.
All right.